In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and tap on this arrow at the top left one to go back. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on this icon at the top left corner and tap on Clipboard. Then click on your text over here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold your text and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. Now to get rid of it, you can either swipe it to the right or hold it and tap on Delete option in the pop-up. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!